If you're trying to undo a mistake in the GoDaddy website builder, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to undo changes so you can back up one step and keep editing with confidence. Whether you're fixing text, moving sections, or just click the wrong thing, these undo methods can save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website builder tips. Let's get started. The fastest way to undo on a Windows computer is to press Ctrl and Z at the same time. This keyboard shortcut steps back one action in the GoDaddy website builder, so if you just made a change you don't want, this is usually the easiest fix. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut is even simpler. Press Cmd and Z together to undo the last action. Again, this works as a quick way to reverse your most recent edit without hunting through menus. Now, if you prefer using the toolbar, look toward the top right area of the website builder. You should see a backward-pointing curved arrow icon. That is the undo button. Just click it once to step back. One action. This is especially helpful if you don't want to use keyboard shortcuts or if you're editing with a mouse or trackpad. Another option is to use the right-click menu. Simply right-click anywhere inside the editor canvas and a pop-up menu should appear. From that menu, select Undo. This gives you another easy way to reverse a recent change directly from the page you're working on. So to recap, you can undo in GoDaddy Website Builder with Ctrl Z on Windows, Command Z on Mac, the curved arrow button in the top right toolbar, or the right-click undo option inside the editor. If one method doesn't feel convenient, just use the one that fits your workflow best. And remember, undo is great for stepping back. One action at a time, so if you make multiple changes, you may need to click it more than once or repeat the shortcut. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more GoDaddy website builder tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.